Number 8, this is our last one. We have carpentry applications often require calculations involving fractions and mixed numbers with denominators of 2, 4, 8, and 16. And so we want to perform the following calculation and express our result as a mixed number. Alright, so if you're going to be multiplying mixed numbers, then you need to convert them to improper, and then we're going to have to go back to a mixed. So that's going to be step 1. We're going to convert these to improper fractions. Then we will be able to do a common denominator and add them together. So we're going to do 4 times 1 plus 1, that will give us 5. So we have our 4 times 5 over 4. And then we're going to be adding 3 is going to be multiplied by 8 times 9, which is 72. 72 plus 7 will give us 79 over 8. Okay. Now, when we multiply, this is a fraction, 4 over 1. When you multiply top times top, we can actually reduce, divide by 4. So this side is just going to leave us with the whole number 5. And then plus, we have to multiply this by 3. This time it won't reduce, so this is 3 over 1. And what I think about when I'm doing this by hand, this is 1 less than 80. So if I do 3 times 80, that's going to give me 240. But I added 1, and I did that times 3. So if I'm thinking 240, and I'm subtracting 3 because I had to add that 1, so I got to take it back times 3. And so that's going to give me 237. So I can do that by hand with a little manipulation. 237 over 8. Alright, and since this is already a whole number, all I need to do is change this back to a mix, and I can add that whole number part. So remember, top goes in, so 237 goes in the bracket, 8 goes out. And so what I have, or what I'm going to have at the end of the day, is 5 plus some mixed number. The denominator was 8, it's going to stay 8. My numerator will be my whole number, my remainder will be my numerator. So 8 goes into 23 2 times, gives us 16. 8 times 2 is 16. Subtract, and that will give us 7. Bring down 7, and 8 will go into 77 9 times. 8 times 9, 72. Subtract that off, we're left with a remainder of 5. Okay, so that 5 is what we got here. 5/8 is what we have left, and we have 29 as our whole number part. So now we can add the whole number part, 5 and 29, and we get 34 running off the screen here. 34 and then the 5/8. 34 and 5/8 is what we get here. 34 and 5/8.